In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Bitdefender account permanently. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Bitdefender, for any number of reasons, I'm here to guide you through that process. We'll make sure it's smooth, straightforward, and concise. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to Bitdefender Central. This is where all the magic happens, so open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL centralbitdefender.com. It will bring you to the home page of Bitdefender Central, where we're going to begin our journey. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Simply provide your email address and your password. Once entered, hit the Sign In button. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Now that you're signed in, you'll be on the Bitdefender dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your Bitdefender services and subscriptions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't accessed it recently. Now, direct your attention to the upper right side where you'll see a small icon, or perhaps your initials in a circle, which typically acts as your profile button. Click on this and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you're going to select the Profile option. This is going to take you to a page where you can view and edit details about your Bitdefender account. Scroll through this page until you find an option that says Data and Privacy. Click on it. You might feel a little overwhelmed with all the information presented to you here, but what we're looking for is an option that says Delete Account. Now, before you proceed with deleting your account, it's crucial to understand what this means. Deleting your account will remove all your data from Bitdefender's services. This includes any active subscriptions, personal information, and you'll lose access to any product that's currently under that account. Make sure to back up any critical information or deactivate any services you still want to use. If you're ready, click on the Delete Account button. You may be prompted to confirm this action, as this is irreversible. Take a deep breath, give it a final thought, and if you're sure of your decision, go ahead and confirm. And there you have it. Your Bitdefender account has been successfully deleted. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out via the comments or check Bitdefender's official support page for more detailed assistance. Thank you for watching, and take care.